How to put your username at the end of your TikTok video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily put username at the end of the TikTok video. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok and find the video where you want to add your username at the end. So what you're going to do here is simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Here I have this video where I would like to add my username. So what you're going to do is if you export this video outside of TikTok on Instagram, Snapchat or anything, then your username will be displayed at the end. So what you're going to do is tap on the three dots and then tap on Instagram. Now from here, select Instagram again and select to stories. Now, once you select stories, it will direct you to Instagram stories, and just wait for the video to play till the end. And as you can see, your username is on the side of your screen as well. And when the video ends, your username will be displayed like this. All you have to do now is tap on the three lines to save this video to your gallery, and you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.